If you want to connect an SD card with adapter to your Samsung Galaxy A36, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, make sure that you have your SD card, that you have your adapter with USB Type-C. All other ones won't work. Now grab your phone, locate your charging port, there it is, and insert your SD card with adapter right here. Now let's open up our My Files application. Great, and here we see our USB storage. Ta-da, that's what we need. So we can move files back and forth from our internal storage to our external storage. For example, let's move this song, press move. Now choose your USB storage 1, press move here, and you will locate it in your USB storage 1. There it is. When you're done, hold your finger here, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and press unmount. Now you can safely unmount your USB storage. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.